a very hardworking punong barangay, none other than Honorable Paul B. Anyabi.
Good day to everyone. It is with great honor and pride that I welcome you all to our State of Barangay Address for the first semester of 2025. I would like to extend a warm welcome to our distinguished guests, partners, and stakeholders, our DILG officers, school heads, barangay kagawads, SK chairperson and AK kagawads, Station 3 officers, Bureau of Fire officers, senior citizen, PWD officers and members, Bureau presidents, officers of homeowners association, our transport groups and its members, our doctors, nurses, as well as to our barangay officials, employees, and our beloved residents of Barangay Mandalagan. Today's gathering is an evidence to our shared commitment to transparency, accountability, and community progress. This address will serve as an opportunity to reflect on our accomplishments for the first semester, recognize the challenges we face, and look ahead to the goal we aim to achieve together. Let us begin with the 2025. It is designed with accessibility and comfort to all the PWD officers and members. The RRMO office is under renovation at the back of tunnels to make more functional, accessible, and to enhance its services. Daycare centers. All daycare centers were maintained, namely Purok Bulak, Purok Sambag, Purok Santol, Jansen 1, Active, Carbig, and Nagkasa respectively. Our commitment to early childhood continues to ensure a safe and nurturing environment for our young children to learn and grow. Footwalk repairs at various puroks is part of our effort to improve public access and safety. These repairs are essential in ensuring safe and convenient passage for all residents. Painted pedestrian lanes at Bri Road.
Hi, vlogger. Hi, vlogger.
Specifically in front of Purok Santol, Barangay Hall, and City Mall. These efforts aim to reduce accidents and make our roads safer to everyone. Artesian wells. We installed 15 artesian wells, repaired and maintained 61 units, and redrilling 9 units in various puroks. These projects ensure that our residents have a reliable source of clean water and helping to resolve long-standing water-related issues.